How's it going, guys? This is Luke over at the Quaid Harley-Davidson Parts Department. I got a few new products I'd like to talk to you guys about, see what you guys think. First off, we got our Revo A shocks. This is a 13-inch shock designed for your mono shock for all the new Softails. This is a great high-performance shock. This is designed for your hard canyon riders or your wheelie guys, just somebody who's going to beat the hell out of these shocks. Next off, we got our new Empire collection here. This is offered in three different colors here. We have the contrast cut, the chrome, and the all blacked out. This is going to be good for all your baggers, Softail models, anything. If you're looking to black out, chrome out, this is the best collection that I think that Harley offers right now. Now moving over to handlebars, I think that we are probably number one in the Southern California area for handlebar installation. We have all your needs for all that good stuff. First off, we have the Lucky Dave 13-inch with the pullback. This is the Lucky 13 bar. We offer this in two different sizes, a 13 or a 15. This is going to be good for your Softail models, your Dyna models, anybody who's looking for a mean-looking T-bar on your bike here. Next off, we have the FXR Division bars. These are going to be designed for your bagger guys. If you're looking for that T-bar feel and tough look on a bagger, these are probably the best guys to go with. We have all the parts in stock to get that on today. Next off, we have the Thrash Supply, which is probably one of my personal favorites here. These are made in America and made of billet aluminum, so a nice strong riser if you're going to really beat the hell out of your bike here. Next off, I'd like to talk about the Bung King crash bars. These are going to be, once again, if you're a crazy rider, you're doing wheelies, doing donuts, all that good stuff, these are going to be for your good soft drops, from saving your bike from taking any serious damage. They do have a replaceable puck on the end of them, so if they do get messed up, you can replace them. These are good for your Dynas or Softails. I have those in stock right now, or I can order it for a Sportster if need be. So my name is Luke. Come see me in the parts department if you have any other questions on any of this product.